What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron. Got the recipe, and today we're going to be diving into finger drumming techniques for R&B, hip-hop, neo-soul, boom bap. All right? Finger drumming 101. If you're someone that wants to get your finger drumming on point, you want to learn the basics, you want to groove right, you want better technique, this is the video for you. And as always, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to save some cash on excellent audio products such as Addictive drums, the Addictive keys, hit the link in the description below. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be zooming in and zooming out so you guys can see what it's like to play drums on a MIDI keyboard, on a Akai Mini MK3, and on a Maschine. All three, what are the differences, what's best for you, and what are the techniques to get you going? Let's get it. So we've got a sample loaded up here. All three of these are hooked up. They're all kind of MIDI mapped, configured the same way. There are some pros, there are some cons, there are some pros, there are some cons. And before we get into all that, we're going to talk about the basic beat you need to know in order to be able to play all the intermediate and advanced grooves. For finger drumming, the pattern or groove you need to master is boots and cats. Boots and cats. And boots and cats. So essentially, the motion is 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the whole thing, but you swap out a 1 for a cat. So practice that to different speeds, fast, and decide what fingers you want. So I usually use my middle finger for the hi-hat, and then my middle finger for the kick drum, and my pointer finger for the snare. So same thing here. So if we play it with the groove, it sounds like this. So that's the basic technique. From there, you can add your eighth notes on top, which is a constant 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's play along. Here we go. Same pattern, doesn't matter which one you play it on, it's gonna sound the same. Now here's a gem that's really important, sound selection. I'm using Addictive drums too. A lot of people ask me, what preset is that? So I'm gonna show you right now. If you've got Vintage Dead, that's the 80 pack it's called. You can go into Vintage Dead and find the changes pack. That's the exact one that I'm using. All right, so let's talk about pros and cons. As you can see, most MIDI keyboards come with 8 pads. Some might come with 16, but not a lot of them do. So I've got my Arturia 61 key, it's got 8 pads. I've got my Akai Mini MK3, it's got 8 pads. Then I've got my Maschine 2 with 16. Now you would think you would need all 16 of these, which there are some pros to having 16 pads. But if we're focusing on just playing in the pocket and doing the bare essentials, you actually get more bang for your buck if you just stay here. You stay right here, okay? The reason why I say that is because when I put my hands down, I basically have access to everything I need. I've got a crash here, ride cymbal right here, snare here, snare here, snare here. I got 3 snares. Access. If you're using a controller that only has 8 pads on it, you don't have all that access. You can only probably do 1 crash, kick, snare, second snare, 1 hi-hat, open hat, 2 toms, 1 crash. Just stick with this. Like, this is cool. Don't get me wrong. It's cool, but you don't really need it. Especially if you got a whole keyboard, you can lay it out. So now that we got that out the way, we got the boots and cats out the way, we've got the pros and cons. Let's just add some more 8th notes to it. Instead of playing 1 and 2 and, we're gonna play 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. We're gonna add some more beats to the open hat, possibly the snare, the kick, and the toms, and maybe even add a crash in. We're gonna go slow, and then we're gonna go fast. First, let's add that open hat in. Now, where do we place that fill? On the 4th measure, and what does it sound like? Very basic. So we're just taking our 8th notes and moving them here. 1. Practice that, and then you'll eventually be able to do advanced techniques in how you do your fills. But for now, let's give it a shot. So to wrap this all up, these are my tips for finger drumming. First, sound selection. Pick the right sounds. I told you where to get them. Use my discount link to save some cash. 2 is placement. What's the most comfortable for you? It's gonna be the keys, an Akai, a Maschine, something that has a bunch of pads on it. What's more comfortable for you? 3rd, mapping out where your drums need to be at. Where do you want the placement of your drums? 4th, boots and cats. Start with, work your way into that, into 8th notes, then to swing it, add your fills in. All right, experiment, add more, use your open hat. What's more comfortable for you? Decide what fits your profile, what fits you as a producer best, and that's it. That's all I got. Maybe we'll do a part 2. All right, y'all, so that's our time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. Before I get out of here, y'all, if you haven't seen my previous video on drumming techniques or drumming grooves you should know, I'll leave those in the description below. See y'all in the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.